Good afternoon, all of you. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what have I done yesterday last?
Right. Friedel-Crafts compilation.
Acylation also I think I covered, no? Nahin?
No, ma'am. Only one.
Only alkylation was done.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Rahil, the next chapter after this will be hydrocarbons. Okay, you've asked which next chapter, no? Hydrocarbons.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, I had a doubt in one of the compounds of yesterday.
Which one?
Can I send it to you?
Huh, you can.
Ma'am, I have sent it.
Okay, huh, the triphenyl methane.
Yes, ma'am.
You want the mechanism of that?
Yes, ma'am, please.
First step, aluminum chloride will take away one of the Cl, giving you this carbocation.
Yes, ma'am.
This will go and attack another. This will go and attack. Sorry, a benzene molecule and replace one of the hydrogen, giving you CHCl2. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, aluminum chloride will do what? Take away the second Cl also, giving you this will attack another benzene, replace the hydrogen.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम ये लास्ट क्लास का की नया क्वेश्चन है
नहीं, last class का ही है. Again, this will be taken away by aluminum chloride. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll get a carbocation and then that will react with another benzene. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, here it will not join to its own ring because it will be unstable.
If it joins to the own ring, how many membered ring would you get? If this joins with the own ring, say here, how many membered ring would be formed here?
3.
This
Remember.
is not favorable. Okay.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Okay.
So now next is Friedel-Crafts acylation. In alkylation, we were introducing which group on the benzene?
Alkyl.
So in acylation, we'll be introducing acyl group. Now, what is an acyl group? Acyl group is RC double bond O group. RC double bond O group is called as an acyl group. So benzene when treated with what is this functional group?
Acyl.
Halide as well. Alkyl.
Just 1 minute. Okay, what functional group you told me?
Halide.
Acid halide.
Yes.
Okay, this is acid halide. How many carbon?
2.
So the name will be ethanol chloride. That is the IUPAC name. Common name being acetyl chloride. So to this, when you add a Lewis acid catalyst like anhydrous, aluminum chloride or FeCl3, you get the formation of this compound. What functional group in the compound? ये functional group कौन सा है? हाँ. Can I say this is? ये ketonic group हो गया ना? This is methyl phenyl ketone. Yes, it's an acyl group only. You can see methyl phenyl ketone. Methyl phenyl ketone is the common name. IUPAC is acetophenone. Chalo, help me with the mechanism. First step, what should happen?
Chlorine reacts with
Breaking.
Cl will be taken away by aluminum chloride,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
giving you the acylium ion. This is the acylium ion. In fact, it is a resonance stabilized ion. इसका resonating form क्या होगा? Could you tell me?
Double bond on triple bond.
Triple bond. Where is the positive charge now?
CH3.
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Which of these two forms is more stable? Resonating form.
Right one. Second.
Left one.
Why is the right one more stable?
Octet complete. Octet
Excellent.
complete.
Yes. इसका octet complete है, इसका octet incomplete है. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is stable. Which is more reactive? This one.
Yes, ma'am.
ये ही react कर सकता है ना? ये तो नहीं कर सकता है क्योंकि octet complete है. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this will act as an intermediate and go and attack benzene. It will replace hydrogen. And where will this H plus go then? The H plus will go to AlCl4 minus, forming HCl and AlCl. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So with this, electrophilic substitution is done. Now I'm proceeding to the next class of reactions, that is nucleophilic substitution.
Miss, wait.
Ma'am, please wait 1 minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, how do we distinguish between ketone and this acyl group?
Acyl group is a ketone only, no?
Okay,
This
ma'am.
group, this entire ketone is called as this group.
Yes, ma'am.
This entire group with R is called as an acyl. So this
Okay,
is the
ma'am.
acyl group. ये functional group ketone है and this entire part is an acyl group.
Okay, ma'am.
So, ma'am, can we even create an ketone from an acyl group?
Means
Means using that a compound containing acyl group, we could create a compound having just a ketone.
Yeah, so this is a ketone, no? In fact, this entire group I said ketonic group is a part of an acyl group. Keto group is a part of an acyl group.
Okay,
ये
ma'am.
entire thing को acyl बोलेंगे और सिर्फ इस part को क्या बोलेंगे?
Keto group.
हाँ. Amog, I have not taken any class on Saturday, in fact. Saturday my internet was down, so I didn't take any class on Saturday. Yeah, I took only yesterday.
मैम आप ये
Suhani,
नीचे
reaction
benzene-
mechanism, I told you whatever reaction mechanism I'm doing is not a part of a single chapter. All this is distributed in many chapters. So you won't even realize कि ये question reaction mechanism का है या ये aldehyde ketone का preparation है या क्या है. Okay. So reaction mechanism is actually distributed through a number of chapters.
Ma'am, in the first step, oxygen ka octet completed. That's why the positive charge is not on oxygen, no?
इसमें पॉजिटिव क्यों है? ऑक्सीजन के वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने होने चाहिए? 6 होने चाहिए ना
6,
ऑक्सीजन के
हाँ।
पास. तो यहाँ पर कितने हैं? 1 2 3
2.
4 5 ही है ना.
हाँ.
तो 5 है तो प्लस चार्ज आएगा ना उसमें.
Okay,
फॉर्मेट
miss.
ऑक्टेट तो कंप्लीट है बट उसके पास वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कम है. गॉट इट?
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Did you all finish?
Done, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'm starting with the next class of reactions, that is nucleophilic substitution. It is denoted by SN. A very, very important part of the chapter, that is reaction mechanism, is nucleophilic substitution. This is definitely going to come in the board exams also. It is a part of 12th standard. Okay. There will be one question of 4 marks on nucleophilic substitution, which you have to write in details. Okay. Compulsory आता है, every year आता है, without fail.
बोर्ड में.
हाँ, boards में. And it is equally important for the JEE mains as well.
I'm only nucleophilic substitution.
Sorry.
Only nucleophilic substitution.
हाँ, boards में पक्का आएगा इस पे एक question. 4 marks का आता है. 4 या 3 I think. 3 or 4. Okay, what do you understand by the term substitution?
Replacement.
Nucleophilic substitution means, can I say replacement of one nucleophile by another?
Yes.
Okay. What's a nucleophile?
Electron
Electron
rich.
pair donors.
Electron pair donor. Yes, they are Lewis bases. Am I right?
Lewis base.
Yes, ma'am.
So nucleophilic substitution, one nucleophile is going to attack and replace another nucleophile. The molecules which readily undergo nucleophilic substitution are alkyl halides. Give me the polarity in alkyl halide. Can I say here there is delta minus and there is
Delta minus delta plus.
so alkyl halides are polar. To this, when you add a nucleophile, an electron pair donor, the nucleophile will get attracted to what?
Delta plus.
Delta plus R group.
Yes, it will get attracted to R group. So as it comes close to R, the X will leave out. And you will get the formation of this. So this type of reaction is classified as a nucleophilic substitution reaction. I could give you an example here. Say if I take ethyl chloride, to that if I add aqueous KOH, Aqueous KOH gives you what nucleophile?
OH minus.
Where will the OH minus be attracted to?
Ethyl group.
R.
R, that is alkyl group. So you'll get the formation of
plus Cl minus.
Samjha?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a typical example of a nucleophilic substitution reaction.
Ma'am, they don't form KCl.
KCl बना है ना?
But they are ions.
Yeah, these are ions. Huh? OH has replaced Cl from its compound. Am I right?
Yes,
So that
ma'am.
tells you that OH is a stronger nucleophile than Cl. How do you identify a strong nucleophile and weak nucleophile? I've already told you. इसमें nucleophile कौन सा अटैक कर रहा है?
OH minus.
और निकल कौन सा रहा है बाहर?
K.
Cl.
इन दोनों में से stronger nucleophile कैसे है? How to identify?
More
Add H
electronegative.
Plus.
Add H plus. इसमें H plus ऐड करोगे तो क्या बनेगा?
Water.
O.
H2O.
इसमें
HCl.
Cl.
ये stronger acid है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
दोनों में से stronger acid ये है तो ये weaker nucleophile होगा. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इसका acid weak है तो nucleophile strong होगा. So OH is a stronger nucleophile than Cl. Have you all understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, OH is the strongest.
No, it is not the strongest, but it is a stronger nucleophile than halide ion. So nucleophilic substitution on alkyl halides is very easy because the halide ions are very good leaving groups. Now, what do you understand by a leaving group? A leaving group is nothing but a poor nucleophile. Can I say all the halides are poor nucleophiles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चाहे वो Cl हो, चाहे Br हो, चाहे I हो. Can I say they are poor nucleophiles? क्योंकि इनके जो
Yes, ma'am.
acids होते हैं वो बहुत strong होते हैं. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Acid बहुत strong है तो ये nucleophiles बहुत weak होते हैं. और जितने weak nucleophile, जितने poor nucleophile उतना better leaving group होता है. So leaving groups are nothing but poor nucleophiles.
Ma'am, halogens are leaving group.
Yeah, they are good leaving groups. Weaker the nucleophile, better is the leaving ability. ये भी लिख लेना. Weaker the nucleophile, better is the leaving ability. और better leaving group कैसे identify करोगे? Best leaving group कैसे identify करोगे?
Adding H plus.
Very good, yes. जिसका acid ज्यादा strong होगा वो better leaving group होगा. समझा या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Say for example, I take HF, HCl, HBr, HI. इसमें से सबसे stronger acid कौन सा है?
HI.
हाँ, तो best leaving group कौन सा होगा?
HI minus.
I minus, yes. Can I say HF is the weakest acid here?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
F
ma'am.
minus is the poorest leaving group.
Strongest.
समझा या नहीं?
nucleophile.
हाँ, समझा या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you all finish writing all this?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am.
Suhani, yes, you'll have to read through the HSC textbook for your CET. Okay. You have to complete your textbook thoroughly. निसर्ग इलेक्ट्रोफाइल OH माइनस नहीं हो सकता है ना, OH माइनस तो न्यूक्लियोफाइल होता है. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल में तुमको लुईस एसिड डालना पड़ता है जो इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर सकता है, वो नहीं जो इलेक्ट्रॉन दे सकता है. OH minus is a nucleophile, not an electrophile. Okay, have you all completed this?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So now I'll tell you how nucleophilic substitution can occur. In other words, the mechanism of nucleophilic substitution. Mechanism of nucleophilic substitution. Now give the heading as mechanism of nucleophilic substitution. Two mechanisms have been given. You have SN1 and SN2. So divide your page into two columns.
Can you repeat the heading?
Mechanism of nucleophilic substitution. Okay, so now let us see what is SN1 and what is SN2. SN1 stands for nucleophilic substitution unimolecular. And SN2 stands for nucleophilic substitution bimolecular. Now, what do you mean by unimolecular and bimolecular? Unimolecular processes are those in which the rate of the reaction depends only on the concentration of the substrate. I repeat, unimolecular processes are those in which the rate of that reaction depends only on the concentration of substrate. What does this square bracket indicate?
Concentration.
Yes. Can I say its concentration in moles per liter?
Yes.
So molarity. Okay. So rate depends only on the concentration of the substrate. And in bimolecular processes, the rate of the reaction depends on the concentration of the substrate as well as the reagent. Okay. Now in this reaction, could you tell me इसमें substrate कौन सा है और reagent कौन सा है?
CH2 is substrate.
This is substrate and this is reagent. What made you say so?
Substrate is KOH.
Is KOH a substrate?
KOH is substrate
Yes.
and this is the reagent.
No, ma'am.
CH3, CH2, Cl
Yes, that's the substrate.
is the substrate.
This is the substrate.
is reagent.
And KOH is reagent. So
Yes,
first
ma'am.
of all, tell me what is the substrate and what is the reagent?
Was a reagent acts on a
Reagent.
substrate?
Okay.
Something
So how
which
would
we
you
add.
how would you define a substrate?
Initial
sub-
reactant.
Okay. Now supposing I want to prepare ethyl alcohol in a reaction. Can I say I'll start with ethyl chloride for that?
Yes.
And to that I will add aqueous KOH to convert the
Yes.
ethyl chloride to ethyl alcohol. Am I right?
Yes.
So the substrate which I'm interested in changing its chemical composition, that substance becomes the substrate. So substrate is a substance or a chemical species undergoing a change in chemical composition. And the reagent is the substance added to the substrate in order to bring about the change. I repeat, a substrate is a chemical species which undergoes a change in chemical composition. I repeat, a substrate is a chemical species which undergoes a change in chemical composition. A reagent is a substance added to bring about that change. Is this understood?
Miss,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
repeat once again?
Ma'am, could you repeat?
Okay. A substrate is a chemical species. Substrate is a chemical species which undergoes a change in chemical composition. A substrate is a species which undergoes a change in chemical composition. The reagent is a substance added. The reagent is a substance added in order to bring about that change. Reagent is a substance added in order to bring about that change. Finished writing that? Okay.
Yes, miss.
So can I say nucleophilic substitution? This is the substrate and this is the reagent.
Yes, ma'am.
The substrate is your alkyl halide and this is the aqueous KOH is the reagent. So now let us see SN1 mein hota kya hai. In SN1 the rate is dependent only on the concentration of alkyl halide. In SN2 the rate depends on both alkyl halide and the reagent, that is aqueous KOH. So now let us see what exactly happens in SN1. Have I told you that the rate determining step is always the slowest step in a reaction?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You remember me doing that, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let us see what exactly is going to take place here in SN1. You have the alkyl halide and you're adding aqueous KOH and you start heating. The first thing observed in SN1 is when you start heating, the CX bond breaks here first on its own. How would you expect a CX bond to break? Homolytic or heterolytic?
Heterolytic.
Oh.
Which element will take away the electron pair?
Halide.
X.
Yes, X being more electronegative will take the electron pair and leave out as X minus. What charge will develop on carbon?
Positive.
Can I say it's a carbocation formation here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is a slow step because you're getting an intermediate here, that is carbocation. Okay. Now can I say carbocation being unstable? Why it is unstable?
Incomplete octet.
Yes. So this immediately reacts with the nucleophile, giving you the formation of alcohol. So how many steps are involved in this process?
Two.
Two.
You have a slow step and fast step. Rate determining step kaun sa hoga?
Slow.
Slower one.
So this is the rate determining step. In the rate determining step, is only alkyl halide involved or even the nucleophile is involved here?
Only alkyl.
Alkyl halide only.
Yes. Can I say the rate determining step is giving to the carbocation which is formed only by the alkyl halide?
Yes, ma'am.
So only
Yes,
alkyl
ma'am.
halide is involved. In other words, the rate is dependent only on the concentration of alkyl halide. It is independent of the concentration of nucleophile because nucleophile कौन से step में आया है?
And
The second
Second
step.
step.
हाँ,
Second
fast
step.
step में आया है. Fast step में, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
rate is not going to depend on the fast step. Rate will depend only on the slow step of the process. Is this part understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That is
Yes,
why
ma'am.
this reaction is classified as a unimolecular process. अगर mechanism ऐसे जाता है तो it is unimolecular. SN1 बोलते हैं इसको.
Ma'am, what is RDS?
Rate determining step.
Yes.
You have finished writing this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now let us see what happens in SN2. You start with alkyl halide and add aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH will give you OH minus. What is the polarity here? Come on, tell me.
L plus L
Delta
minus
plus 1 charge.
minus and plus.
Huh. So can I say OH can be attracted to the positive charge on carbon? It will be attracted to the positive charge.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so it starts coming close to the carbon because it is getting attracted to it. Can the OH approach the carbon from the same side where halogen is there?
No.
Can I say that electron clouds will repel?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Because this has delta minus, this also has negative charge. So it will attack the carbon from the opposite side where the halogen is there. अगर halogen right में है तो ये कहाँ से आएगा?
Left.
और halogen left में होगा तो ये right से आएगा. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this attacks the carbon from the opposite side. As the OH starts coming close to carbon, the bond between carbon and halogen tends to break. That means the halogen will start moving away. The oxygen will start coming close to carbon from the other side. So the OH approaches the oxygen, the carbon from the opposite side. You get the formation of this transition state. TS is transition state. Can I say transition state is highly unstable? Because carbon is forming nearly 5 bonds.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो जल्दी ये ट्रांजिशन ब्रेक हो जाता है. ये स्लो स्टेप होता है अप्रोच ऑफ OH. ट्रांजिशन स्टेट ब्रेक होके you get the formation of the alcohol. So which step here will determine the rate of the reaction?
Slow step.
In the slow step, can I say both are involved, alkyl halide as well as this reagent?
Yes, ma'am.
क्योंकि जब तक ये दोनों मिलेंगे नहीं तब तक ये ट्रांजिशन स्टेट नहीं बनेगा. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
स्लो स्टेप में ट्रांजिशन स्टेट बनता है. ट्रांजिशन स्टेट तब बनेगा जब ये दोनों यूज होंगे. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the rate determining step, both are involved, and that is why the rate will depend on the concentration of substrate also and reagent also. Therefore, this process is called as a bimolecular process. Difference in mechanism, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें पहले क्या होता है? इसमें सेल्फ आयोनाइजेशन होता है. कार्बन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड पहले खुद ही ब्रेक होता है जब एनर्जी आप देते हो. You get the ions formed, and these ions then immediately react. The carbocation immediately reacts to the nucleophiles. But यहाँ पे क्या होता है? यहाँ पे कार्बोकैटायन नहीं बनता है. इनफैक्ट बॉन्ड पहले ब्रेक नहीं होता है. OH जब अप्रोच करता है ऑपोजिट साइड से, तब हैलोजन दूर जाने की कोशिश करता है. So you get the formation of transition state, which then decomposes immediately to give you the product form. Now, how many steps are involved in this?
Plus 2.
This is a two-step process. And this is a single step process. How this is single step, I will explain it. You are asking something?
Ma'am, but why can't what happened in SN1 happen in SN2 also?
A very good question. I'm going to do the details of that.
Must
Okay.
be having energy out there, right?
I will tell you कौन सा mechanism होगा, कब होगा, कौन सा mechanism होगा, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Just finish off writing this first. Why the number of students are becoming less every time?
No idea, ma'am.
पहले 203 204 आते थे.
Ma'am, total number of students 240 है वैसे.
हाँ तो उतने ही कहीं 230 के आसपास आते थे, पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो. फिर उसके बाद 180 के आसपास आने लगे. अब तो 130 35 36 है आज.
मैम ये यस्टरडे की क्लास में कितने स्टूडेंट ने अटेंड किया?
90.
I didn't see it.
60.
55,
60 में 90 था.
कल का आप ये देख लेना, क्या बोलते हैं, रिकॉर्डिंग.
मैम हमने कल का क्लास क्यों रखा?
अरे तो परसों का मिस हो गया था ना, सैटरडे का. तो तुम क्या कर रहे थे कल, बताओ.
मैम मैंने अटेंड
किया था.
हाँ मैम.
तो फिर हेडेक हुआ था क्या उसके बाद? हाँ,
यस मैम.
उसके बाद हेडेक हुआ था क्या?
नहीं मैम, मैंने अटेंड किया क्लास.
अच्छा, जिन्होंने नहीं किया है, they are supposed to see the recording. I have already shared yesterday. अभी तो छुट्टी दिया था आप लोगों को 1 हफ्ता.
मई के एंड में.
फिर भी वही हाल है तुम लोगों का. लिथार्जी अभी तक है तुम लोगों के अंदर, करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
उतरा ही नहीं था लेथार्ज.
हाँ तो कितने दिन छुट्टी चाहिए, 1 साल?
1 महीना देना चाहिए मैम.
1 महीना?
हाँ मैम 1 महीना देना
हम
चाहिए.
सबको
सिलेबस
1
पता
महीना
है ना, बहुत
मिलता है.
पीछे है.
तो
Do you know that our syllabus is too?
मैम स्टडी लीव कितना रहेगा?
स्टडी लीव क्यों चाहिए अभी?
आई मीन जब बाद में जब खत्म हो जाएगा पूरा सिलेबस.
कुछ नहीं होता.
सिलेबस खत्म होगा नवंबर के आसपास.
मैम इतना लेट?
12th
स्टडी
standard शुरू
लीव
भी
नहीं
हुआ है क्या
रहेगा,
तुम्हारा?
रिवीजन और टेस्ट रहेगा तभी पूरा.
Has your 12th standard started yet?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
in
ma'am.
6.
I'm talking about the chapters we are doing in JEE.
No,
No.
very few
I
means,
don't-
either 1 to something.
थोड़ा थोड़ा.
केमिस्ट्री तो अभी तक शुरू नहीं हुआ है, that I know. What about physics and maths?
फिजिक्स स्टार्ट हो गया,
Physics में
मैथ्स भी
rotation
स्टार्ट हो
and
गया.
fluids हो गया.
हाँ,
और
physics
मैथ्स
I
में
think
पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन.
physics I think खत्म हो जाता है अक्टूबर तक. अक्टूबर से पहले ही हो जाएगा
आप फिजिक्स फास्ट ही काटे हैं सर इसके लिए.
क्योंकि फिजिक्स में चैप्टर्स नहीं है ना उतने. आई थिंक टोटल 35 चैप्टर्स है.
यस मैम.
केमिस्ट्री में चैप्टर्स ज्यादा है ना, 43 के ऊपर है. एंड दैट आल्सो ह्यूज चैप्टर्स फॉर केमिस्ट्री.
फिजिक्स है ही क्यों?
है ही क्यों? अनबिलीवेबल. कोई बोलेगा
रीडिंग में ही रह
केमिस्ट्री
रहा है
क्यों
ना?
है, कोई बोलेगा केमिस्ट्री क्यों है.
स्कोरिंग
कोई बोलेगा ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री क्यों है?
हाँ मैम ऑर्गेनिक
हाँ मैम
केमिस्ट्री
वही
क्यों है?
दैट इज अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन। ऑर्गेनिक के बगैर कुछ हो सकता है क्या? Will life
मैम
exist?
No,
Will
miss.
life exist if organic is not there?
Not a chance.
From hair to toe, you are made up of organic substances.
DNA.
सब कुछ
मैम फिर
ऑर्गेनिक है तुम्हारे
इनऑर्गेनिक
अंदर।
केमिस्ट्री क्यों है?
हाँ,
टाइम पास।
इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री क्यों है? मतलब इनऑर्गेनिक का एप्लीकेशंस नहीं होता है क्या?
आता है वो।
आयन वगैरह यूज नहीं करते हो तुम लोग? आयन की चीजें वगैरह, एल्यूमिनियम की और ये सब।
Yes, ma'am.
एवरी सब्जेक्ट इज इम्पोर्टेंट। ये
मैम
लिख
पर वो
लिया है।
फ्यूचर में बाद में इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं हो जाता है।
फ्यूचर में दैट इज डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू टेक अहेड ना, किसमें तुम मेजर करोगे, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट। फिर फील्ड्स तुम्हारी बाइफरकेट हो जाएगी। यू स्टार्ट लीविंग सर्टेन सब्जेक्ट्स एंड द अदर सब्जेक्ट व्हिच यू आर गोइंग टू डू, यू डू इट इन मोर डिटेल। फाइन। It's
Point,
like a
ma'am.
pyramid. It's actually a pyramid. As you move to the top, you know less and less about other subjects, but you start knowing more in depth about the subject you are majoring in. Got it?
Correct.
यस मैम।
ठीक है, ये लिख लिया है।
Miss, in both the processes, only the methods are different, right?
Yeah, mechanisms are different.
Okay, miss.
Product तो सेम ही बनेगा। नहीं, इसमें तो
Ma'am, why
प्रोडक्ट भी अलग
single
अलग हो
step?
सकते हैं। हाँ,
मैम वाई सिंगल स्टेप?
दिखा रही हूँ अभी। ये लिख लिया है।
Done,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
miss.
ma'am.
Yes,
एंड
ma'am.
देन
I will explain this with a graph. Why single step and why two step. You all continue. मुझे वहाँ जगह नहीं थी इसलिए I am using another page. Okay? So एक के नीचे एक लिखते जाओ तुम। So I'll draw the graph first for SN1 and then SN2 also, and I will explain the graph in detail. This is a graph of potential energy, reaction progress. That means I'm drawing the energy profile diagram. ठीक है? ये आपका रिएक्टेंट है जो अल्काइल हैलाइड है, और ये प्रोडक्ट है जो अल्कोहल है। कर्व आ ही नहीं रहा है बराबर मुझसे, रुको। ग्लास पे लिखना, इट इज जस्ट so this is the graph for SN1. Potential energy, reaction progress. This is your reactant, which is alkyl halide, and this is the product. So now I'm explaining you how I have drawn this graph. Okay, let us see in SN1. In SN1, as you start heating, we observe the breaking of the CX bond. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. तो पहले क्या होगा, जैसे ही आप हीट दोगे तो ये CX बॉन्ड X थोड़ा दूर होने लगेगा कार्बन से, तो ये बॉन्ड ऑलमोस्ट ब्रेक होने की तैयारी में है। दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द फर्स्ट ट्रांजिशन स्टेट। क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
First
First
transition
transition
state.
state.
फर्स्ट ट्रांजिशन।
हाँ, फिर X इमीडिएटली निकल जाएगा इसके बाद, गिविंग यू अ कार्बोकटायन। दिस इज योर इंटरमीडिएट। I can represent this by I. Now the OH minus approaches that carbocation. तो जब OH आता है दूर से तो attraction होता है इनके बीच में. This is your second transition state, which will finally give you the bond being formed. That is alcohol. So I'm showing this in the graph. पहले जो ये CX है ये alkyl halide है तुम्हारा reactant है. उसके बाद ये first transition state बना है. Then is your intermediate, that is carbocation. उसके बाद ये आपका second transition state बना है, which gives you the product of the reaction. How many peaks in the graph?
Must two.
Two peaks means two-step process. Got it?
Yes.
Two peaks means it is a two-step process. अब इसमें क्या हो रहा है? इसमें can I say the first step only? The nucleophile comes in and gives you the transition state.
Yes, must.
Transition state में X दूर होने लगता है और ऑक्सीजन नजदीक आने लगता है. ये immediately break हो जाता है, giving you what? So this is the transition state which is formed here. Transition state unstable है because almost 5 bond बने हैं कार्बन के. What is the difference between transition state and intermediate? Basically, a transition state is hypothetical. What do you mean by hypothetical?
Not
real.
Not real.
You can write it out. Right. It is hypothetical. It is unreal. Imaginary होता है. Imaginary. Whereas intermediates do exist. They are formed in between reactions. Though their existence is for a very short interval of time, but they are definitely formed. और ये होता है hypothetical state, imaginary state.
Ma'am, ICA energy is less than TS1 because energy is released when the bond is broken.
Can I say इसमें कार्बन sp3 है?
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें क्या हो गया?
sp2.
तो can I say जब sp3 sp2 में जाएगा तो repulsions कम होने लगेंगे मॉलिक्यूल में?
Yes,
क्योंकि
ma'am.
बॉन्ड एंगल्स कितने हो जाएंगे इसमें?
109.
120.
और इसमें 109 है.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
तो रिपल्शंस कम होने की वजह से मतलब जो ग्रुप्स दूर हो रहे हैं तो कैन आई से उसका एनर्जी कम हो जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
बट फिर भी ये स्टेबल नहीं है क्योंकि इसका ऑक्टेट इनकम्प्लीट है.
हाँ मैम.
ठीक है, इसलिए इसको इंटरमीडिएट बोला जाता है. इसमें फिर से एनर्जी राइज होगा क्योंकि sp2 again has to change its hybridization to sp3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, can you explain the SN2 mechanism again?
SN2 में the OH attacks from the opposite side, forming this transition state. So this is the transition state which you get, which immediately will decompose to give you the product because the transition state is unstable due to carbon forming nearly 5 bonds. 5 bonds बनने के लिए hybridization क्या होना चाहिए? sp3d ना?
Yes, must.
Yes, ma'am.
sp3d में d ऑर्बिटल होता है. कार्बन के पास d ऑर्बिटल होता है क्या?
No.
No, ma'am.
तो इसलिए हाइपोथेटिकल है. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
TS1 has more energy than TS2.
Yes,
right?
TS1 will always have more energy than TS2 because the carbon halogen bond is weaker than the carbon oxygen bond here. Carbon oxygen bond stronger है. What is this called as?
Yeah. Activation energy.
This is EA1 and this is going to be
EA2.
EA2.
remember EA1 has to be greater than EA2. Then displacement is easy. What is this part of the graph known as?
Enthalpy.
Delta H.
डेल्टा एच नेगेटिव है पॉजिटिव है यहाँ पर?
Negative.
Negative.
प्रोसेस एक्सोथर्मिक है, am I right?
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
Yes, ma'am.
So I can also say alcohols are more stable than alkyl halides. Fine. क्योंकि alcohol का potential energy is lower than the potential energy of alkyl halide. Did you finish drawing this?
No. Done, ma'am.
TS is greater than TS2 because CX bond is more stronger than COH, right? CO, no?
CO bond is more strong.
Okay, miss.
देखो एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी किसको ज्यादा लगा है? अरे ये क्या किया मैंने? 1 minute. Is the screen visible?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सी इसका पोटेंशियल एनर्जी देखो, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कम है ना इसका इससे. समझ रहा है कि नहीं समझ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
ये जो बना है ये वाला बना है, ये इंटरमीडिएट, ये ट्रांजिशन स्टेट बना है यहाँ पर.
Yes, miss.
So can I say this is lower in potential energy than this?
Yes.
So can I say this part is more stable than this?
Yes, miss.
This is more stable than this. Did you get it?
Yes, miss.
Miss, can you repeat?
इसका देखो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ये है, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इतना है.
Yes, ma'am.
और ये पहले वाले का पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कितना है? You know potential energy is inversely proportional to stability.
Yes, ma'am.
तो इन दोनों में से ज्यादा स्टेबल कौन सा होगा? ट्रांजिशन स्टेट.
TS2 वाला.
हाँ, समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
बोलो.
Ma'am, it's a silly doubt, but you said that
No doubts
TS.
are ever silly. No doubts are ever silly.
Okay, miss. Miss, you said that TS is a hypothetical state, but then also we derive the number of steps by the number of poles at TS, na?
हाँ.
Miss, so but कैसे then? Like,
This is actually done using spectroscopy. They actually identify these intermediates और कितना टाइम लगता है उसको बनने के लिए, और वो सारा डेटा कलेक्ट करके फिर ग्राफ्स प्लॉट होते हैं. अब ये हाइपोथेटिकल है, कंप्लीटली हाइपोथेटिकल.
Yes.
फिर भी मैकेनिज्म दिया है. ऐसे क्यों दिया है, that also I will explain all. Okay, I'll explain all in this SN2 only. Don't worry. Why they proposed this mechanism, that also I will tell you. Okay, just give me a little time. Today only I will tell you. I'll try to cover that today. How much time is left?
25 minutes.
20 minutes.
Let's see if I can cover that part. I'll try to cover it. ठीक है, ये ग्राफ्स बना दिए हैं.
Done.
Okay.
so that state doesn't exist ना, हम सिर्फ लिख रहे हैं ना?
हाँ, हम सिर्फ लिख रहे हैं.
Okay.
बट उसके बगैर काम चलेगा भी नहीं. Since you have asked now, let me tell you, otherwise वो next lecture तक चला जाएगा. Supposing I take this, can I say this is a chiral molecule?
Yes, miss.
हाँ, इधर सी इसका कॉन्फ़िगरेशन दे दो. R है या S
R.
है?
R.
ये 1 है, ये 2 है, ये 3 है. S हो गया ना?
S.
Yes.
अगर इसका SN2 होता है मैकेनिज्म, so then the product formed is always this. अगर S फॉर्म से चालू करते हो तो product is always having this configuration. इसका configuration क्या है?
S.
R.
Yes.
R.
R.
So can I say there is inversion of configuration?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
If I take this mechanism, could you explain me क्या invert होगा क्या configuration? Can I say इस mechanism से क्या होगा? Halogen पहले depart होगा तो कार्बोकटाइन बनेगा.
Yes, miss.
कार्बोकटाइन का hybridization बताओ.
sp2.
P2.
तो प्लेनर होता है कार्बोकटाइन.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
मतलब इसको OH कहीं से भी अटैक कर सकता है, फिर आगे से भी पीछे से भी.
Hmm.
Equal
Yes,
probabilities
miss.
होगा ना.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Can
ma'am.
I say I should have got a racemic mixture here? मतलब OH लेफ्ट
Yes.
में भी आ सकता है, राइट में भी आ सकता है. Am I right?
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
But if you are getting only one configuration here, वो भी it is suggesting that the OH is on the opposite side. That tells you that OH is attacking from the opposite side. समझा? कि नहीं समझा?
Can you repeat?
If I start with S configuration here, I'm getting R. By SN1 mechanism, could you explain me why I'm getting only R?
Understand?
अगर इसका SN1 होता तो क्या होता? I would have got both the products. How both the products?
Because it's planar.
Yes.
So it can attack on any side.
Because carbocation is planar. Carbocation is planar, मतलब OH can attack from any side. Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
miss.
But there are certain structures which will give you only the inversion of configuration. Can you explain only inversion of configuration through SN1 is my question.
No, ma'am.
No.
तो जहां पर inversion होता है उसमें पक्का है कि SN2 ही हुआ है. मतलब OH को opposite side से ही अटैक करना पड़ता है. समझा?
Yes, miss.
So SN2 can very well explain this. ये configuration inverted मिलता है. Clear now?
Yes, miss.
I don't worry, I'll be taking more details. I should be showing you all this with the help of pens. Okay? But that I think will be done in the next class only because आज उतना time बचा नहीं है.
Ma'am, so just because SN2 में कार्बोकटाइन
Inversion होता है configuration का. ठीक है?
just because कार्बोकटाइन नहीं बनता ना.
हाँ, कार्बोकटाइन नहीं बनता है. और क्यों नहीं बनता है वहां पे कार्बोकटाइन, that also I will tell you. ठीक है? Don't worry, all your questions will be solved. ये क्या कर दिया मैंने फिर से?
You stop the sharing.
Ma'am, class is over.
क्या बोल रहे हो? क्या बोल रहे थे?
Class is over.
अच्छा. Why today some party award that I'll finish off so soon? I'll have to take extra lectures. You
No.
know that? Biggest chapter of organic is hydrocarbons. Okay. Next chapter. ठीक है. SN1 SN2
हाइड्रोकार्बन.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
हाइड्रोकार्बन के बाद कुछ है?
माय डियर, हाइड्रोकार्बन अभी 11th स्टैंडर्ड का ही होगा. 12th तो शुरू भी नहीं हुआ है अभी आप लोगों का. 12th के चैप्टर्स अलग से हैं ऑर्गेनिक के. ऑर्गेनिक अभी खत्म नहीं होगा, नवंबर में खत्म होगा ऑर्गेनिक. तो इतना होप्स लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है कि बस अभी खत्म होने वाला है ऑर्गेनिक. ऑर्गेनिक का तुमने 20% भी नहीं किया है अभी तक कुछ भी.
मैम, हाइड्रोकार्बन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
अल्केन्स, अल्कीन्स, अल्काइंस और एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स 4 पार्ट्स है उसके. हाँ
इंपॉर्टेंट है.
हाँ इंपॉर्टेंट है. चलो लेट मी कंटिन्यू. आई डिड द ग्राफ, आई एक्सप्लेन द ग्राफ. में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आया?
No.
No, ma'am.
सो नाउ आई टेल यू कि SN1 कब हो सकता है और SN2 कब हो सकता है. नाउ लेट मी टेक दिस पर्टिकुलर अल्काइल हैलाइड. ये कौन सा है? 1 डिग्री है, 2 डिग्री है या 3 डिग्री है?
3D.
3
हाँ, कैसे आइडेंटिफाई किया?
CH3
कार्बन है
3
The
carbon.
carbon which has the halogen has how many carbon atoms?
3.
It is bonded to 3 carbons, so 3 degree. Which type of mechanism do you think will 3 degree undergo? Should it undergo SN1 type or SN2 type?
SN1
1
You have to explain with reason.
प्लस है
चार्ज में रख
दो product.
आवे तो पागल
Still have 3
स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ
intermediates.
कार्बोकैटायन
Will go 2 degree and then 1 degree.
Can it undergo SN2 is my question. Can a 3 degree undergo SN2? देखो 3 degree का structure ऐसे होगा. ये सारे कार्बन sp3 hybridized है. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये तीनों डायमेंशंस में इनके बॉन्ड्स ऐसे स्प्रेड आउट है. OH को ऑपोजिट साइड से आना पड़ेगा. जगह बताओ कहां से आएगा?
है ही नहीं.
Not possible.
Is there any space for the OH to approach this
No.
carbon?
No.
No, ma'am.
Can I say this carbon is sterically hindered?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So steric hindrance के वजह से the OH will never be able to approach the carbon from the opposite side. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I say SN2 is impossible on tertiary?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So tertiary alkyl halide होगा तो can I say it is going to undergo SN1 only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the order of reactivity of SN1? Which will react faster? 3 degree or say 2 degree?
3 degree fish.
3 degree, ma'am.
Or should it be 1 degree?
No, 3 degree.
Reason you have to give.
3 degree carbocation will be
Very good. Can I say that अगर कार्बोकैटायन के थ्रू जाना है, इसमें से कौन सा कार्बोकैटायन 3 डिग्री है, कौन सा 2 डिग्री है, कौन सा 1 डिग्री?
ऊपर वाला 3 degree.
सबसे नीचे सबसे
The
नीचे
lowest
वाला.
ऊपर वाला 3 degree.
Lowest one.
ऊपर वाला 1 degree है.
और इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Activation energy.
Activation.
Which determines what?
Rate.
Speed of the process.
हाँ, lower the activation energy, faster will be the
Healthy.
process.
Yes, ma'am.
So can I say 3 degree will react, 3 degree carbocation will be obtained fastest,
Yes, ma'am.
and 1 degree having highest activation energy will be formed very slow.
Will take time.
Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I write the order of reactivity here as 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree?
3 to 1.
All of you have understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So the order of reactivity for SN1 is going to be 3 degree is going to be more reactive than a 2 degree, and 2 degree is more reactive than 1 degree. Because carbocation formed for 3 degree will be obtained much easily as compared to 2 degree, and 2 degree is also carbocation is obtained much easily as compared to 1 degree. Have you all understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now proceeding towards SN2. Classify these alkyl halides.
1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree.
कौन सा 1 डिग्री है?
ऊपर वाला. और second और third वाला. Second और
ये
third.
कौन सा है?
3 degree.
3 degree.
ये कौन सा है?
2
degree.
2
1 degree.
1 degree.
1.
तो ये क्या है?
No degree.
ये सुपर प्राइमरी होता है. This is called as super primary. Which of these will react fastest in SN2?
0 1.
super degree.
ये वाला super primary?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
I say least steric hindrance in this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And OH has to attack the carbon with least steric hindrance, it will attack the fastest. So can I say the order will be a super primary will react faster than a primary, which is going to react faster than secondary, which will react faster than tertiary. All of you agree to this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So this order is based on steric hindrance, and this order is based on what?
Stability of carbocation.
Carbocation
energy.
stability. Have you all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, for 3 degree can never undergo SN2. And what is the reason for that?
Maximum steric
Too much
hindrance.
steric
So
hindrance.
just make a note of that. That 3 degree can never undergo SN2. 3 degree के लिए mechanism हमेशा SN1 ही होता है. 3 degree can never undergo SN2. And which will be favored for 1 degree?
SN2.
Two.
Yes. But there is one an example of a 1 degree alkyl halide undergoing SN1. This does not undergo SN2. बाकी सारे 1 degree का SN2 होता है, पर इसका नहीं होता है. Could you tell me the reason why?
Maybe steric hindrance है.
Yes.
Steric.
This is neopentyl chloride. Neopentyl halides do not undergo SN2. They undergo SN1 because of steric hindrance. So this is the 1 degree alkyl halide which undergoes SN1 instead of SN2. बाकी सारे 1 degree undergo SN2. So write down this example under SN1. Neopentyl chloride. Though it is primary, yet it undergoes SN1 mechanism. हाँ, the question is now 2 degree किसको prefer करेगा? 1 degree और 3 degree की बात हो गई. अब 2 degree, that is the
SN1.
question.
Both.
नहीं, we will see.
SN1.
2 degree can undergo both, but then which mechanism it will undergo in what conditions, that part I am taking now. 3 degree और 1 degree की बात हो चुकी है. 3 degree कौन सा prefer करेगा?
SN1.
1 degree कौन सा prefer करता है?
SN2.
SN2.
हाँ. Now we'll go for 2 degree. 2 degree can prefer both. Am I right? So when it will prefer SN1, when it will prefer SN2, let me take that part. Now this is a 2 degree alkyl halide. Would you find a difference in the mechanism here?
Yes.
Concentration of KOH.
Yes, can I say I'm changing the concentration of the nucleophile?
Yeah.
Here OH
This
minus concentration is
reagent.
0.01 molar. And here the OH minus concentration 5 molar means much concentrated as compared to this. So which type of mechanism will be favored there?
First one will be
SN2.
SN1 and second will be
Reason
SN2.
for this. Reason for this.
Carbocation stability for the first one.
There's very less of the attack.
Steric hindrance.
So
Steric hindrance तो कहाँ है ये molecule में?
Because in the second one, maybe OH acts as a catalyst also. Maybe.
No.
And
It's a reagent.
Concentration.
And for the
So-
first one, we
so could you
heated,
explain-
that's why.
could you explain me कि how will the concentration affect? Solution में ऐसा क्या होगा कि higher concentration में SN2 होगा?
So higher
Rate
concentration.
depends upon
I'm substrate.
जल्दी react.
Higher concentration,
the
less
number
speed.
of ions increase. So
In the first one, we heat, na, that's why.
Heating तो दोनों में required है. Without heating कुछ भी नहीं
More
होता है.
But in the
concentration,
first
less
one,
speed.
वो iron पहले से ही dissociate हो जाता है, so that's why KOH को like उसे dissociate करने के लिए help नहीं करना पड़ता. That's like that. Maybe.
Ma'am,
Can
more
I say
Depends
5
on
molar,
concentration.
5
Miss, more
molar solution?
concentration, less speed. Ma'am, reagent.
Okay. Can I say OH? वो तो तुम mathematically बता रहे हो कि ये जो मैंने दिया है ये वाला reagent का concentration जितना ज्यादा होगा उतना SN2 का rate बढ़ेगा. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ठीक है. Mathematically I can understand what you have said is correct. But solution में actually क्या होगा अगर देखा जाएगा तो? I am carrying out 2 experiments. I am taking this and to that I am adding 0.1 molar KOH. In the other test tube I am taking this only and same amount of this, and I'm adding 5 molar KOH. Can I say here the number of OH minus will be very large as
Yes,
compared to
ma'am.
the number of OH minus? That means here the molecule of alkyl halide in this case will be surrounded throughout on all the sides by OH minus, large number of OH minus.
Yes, miss.
So
Yes,
can I
ma'am.
say the chances of the opposite side attack are maximum in this case,
Yes, miss.
which is less over here? क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो OH minus है वो बहुत कम है, तो इसके आगे और पीछे इतने OH minus नहीं दिखेंगे आपको. Am I right?
Yes, miss.
So the chances of the backside attack of the OH minus here are reduced, resulting in SN1 mechanism here and SN2 mechanism here. Got it? So here you can write down favored when the concentration of the nucleophile is low. और यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे?
More concentration of the
Same sentence you write, but low की जगह what you write?
high.
High concentration of nucleophile. Yes.
Ma'am, this you are giving for 2 degree, no?
Yes, for 2 degree I'm doing.
Okay.
3 degree is fixed. 3 degree you cannot
Yes,
change. 3
ma'am.
degree का SN1 ही हो सकता है.
SN1.
SN2 is out of question. And 1 degree also undergoes SN2 only. But there is an example of 1 degree undergoing SN1. I gave that example already.
Neopentyl chloride, right?
Yeah, neopentyl chloride. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now whatever I'm doing is for 2 degree. This is 2 degree. Did you write this?
No.
Wait, ma'am.
Okay.
And this chapter is too heavy.
क्या हुआ? Chapter is heavy. You have lots to understand here, am I right?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
तो अच्छा है ना, understand करके करोगे तो it is easy.
But too much to remember also.
हाँ मिस, याद करना फिर भूल जाते हैं
क्या
सर.
याद करना है इसमें बताओ?
क्या नहीं करना है मैम?
Everything.
Sense,
ma'am.
पूरा
एक्सेप्शंस याद
sense,
करना है
पूरा सेंसिबल तरह से समझा रही हूँ सब कुछ.
मैम, पर
Ma'am,
एक्सेप्शंस
you are
बहुत है
teaching very
इसमें.
good, but we are not able to understand. No,
ऐसा नहीं होता है. If I'm teaching good means you're supposed to understand. वरना there is some problem in me only.
मैम, पर इसमें एक्सेप्शंस भी बहुत है.
एक भी बताओ.
Neopentyl chloride.
It is
हाँ
not an
मैम.
exception. Exception
has
वो
मैम,
होता
इट
है
इज एन एक्सेप्शन ओनली, अदरवाइज नहीं तो 2 डिग्री होते ही नहीं.
एक्सेप्शन वो होता है जो जिसका बिहेवियर समझा नहीं जा सकता है. मैं उसका बिहेवियर समझती हूँ क्योंकि उसमें SN2 नहीं हो सकता है. और क्यों नहीं हो सकता है?
Steric imbalance.
अगर वो SN2 होता तो मेरे हिसाब से वो एक्सेप्शन होता. तुमको समझ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? It is showing its normal behavior. और नॉर्मल बिहेवियर दिखाना एक्सेप्शन नहीं होता है. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am, but that, if you see, that is the only, मतलब that pentyl chloride is the only one which is showing this one.
Because of the steric repulsions ना, तो OH आएगा कहाँ से बताओ? अगर उसका SN2 होता तो मैं बोलती पक्का कि उसका एक्सेप्शन है वो, कि वो SN2 से जा रहा है और मुझे नहीं पता क्यों जा रहा है. I would have said that. वो एक्सेप्शन लिख लो. I would have said वो एक्सेप्शन लिख लो. समझा? That is the difference you are supposed to understand कि exception word is not to be used in organic chemistry. Molecules अपने structure के हिसाब से behave करते हैं और उनका behavior correct ही होता है. Exception वो molecule होता है जो अपने behavior के हिसाब से नहीं जाता है. उसको मैं बोल दूंगी कि वो exception है कि मुझे नहीं समझ रहा है इसको कैसे explain करने का. ठीक है? Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
SN2 अगर उस पे SN2 होता तो वो exception होता या नहीं होता?
होता.
देखो मेरी तरफ से मेरी like start thinking like me. अगर वो SN2 होता तो मेरे हिसाब से प्योरली वो एक्सेप्शन होता, क्योंकि स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस होता मॉलिक्यूल में और फिर भी OH माइनस आके अटैक कर रहा है, वोंट इट बी एन एक्सेप्शन?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct, ma'am.
ठीक है,
Ma'am, so here we are not
तो तुमने
different.
एक्सेप्शन वर्ड का मतलब ही गलत समझा है जो बचपन से तुमको पढ़ाया गया है। एक्सेप्शन वो होता है जो अपने बिहेवियर को फॉलो नहीं करता है, ओके? बट आई कैन वेरी वेल एक्सप्लेन द बिहेवियर ऑफ दैट नियोपेंटाइल क्लोराइड, कि व्हाई इट इज बिहेविंग लाइक दिस, because of repulsion. Why would it behave according to what I say? Will a molecule listen to me or what? Should it?
No, ma'am.
No.
अच्छा, मॉलिक्यूल
Ma'am,
मेरी
but it
नहीं सुननी
should.
चाहिए? अगर मॉलिक्यूल ही मेरी नहीं सुनेगा तो तुम लोग कैसे सुनोगे मेरी बात?
सही बात है।
अब बताओ, मॉलिक्यूल
सही
को
बात है,
मेरी
ma'am.
सुननी चाहिए कि नहीं सुननी चाहिए?
हाँ मैम, सुननी चाहिए. It should be much more
अगर
easier
मेरी
like
सुननी चाहिए
physics.
तो उसका SN2 होता। अटक गए हो तुम लोग, समझा ना?
हाँ मैम.
हाँ, तो जो जो मैं पढ़ाती हूँ वो बराबर से पढ़ा करो।
Ma'am, so
एक्सेप्शन किसको बुलाते हैं? जिसका बिहेवियर समझ में नहीं आता है। इज दैट क्लियर नाउ?
Yes.
Yes,
मुझे
ma'am.
नियोपेंटाइल का क्लोराइड का बिहेवियर बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आता है, इसलिए मुझे वो एक्सेप्शन लगता ही नहीं। अगर उसका SN2 होता तो मुझे वो एक्सेप्शन लगता। क्लियर नाउ?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
fact, you know,
Yes,
when I
ma'am.
used to take offline lectures, physical lectures, I used to punish those students who used to use the word exception in my class. एक बच्चा अगर एक्सेप्शन बोल दिया ना तो आई यूज्ड टू लिटरली पनिश दैट चाइल्ड। ऑर्गेनिक में एक्सेप्शन नहीं होता है, उनका बिहेवियर समझना हमको है। आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? Why
Yes,
would
ma'am.
it behave according to what I want to say? They are going to behave according to their own structure, their own properties. Am I right? And they behave
ma'am.
very well. In fact, they are the most obedient. क्या बोलते हैं, चीजें जो मेरे लाइफ में आई है आज तक, कभी भी रूल्स तोड़ते नहीं है वो। They go according to the rules.
Ma'am, but some structures break the rules. Some
No,
structures.
बिल्कुल
Some
नहीं,
structures.
बिल्कुल नहीं। सिर्फ एक ही रिएक्शन है जिसका मैकेनिज्म गलत दिया है, वो आज तक क्यों ऐसा है आई डोंट नो। वो रिएक्शन को मैं एक्सेप्शन बोलती हूँ। वो रिएक्शन आएगा लेटर ऑन इन एल्डिहाइड्स एंड कीटोन्स। बस वो एक ही चीज है जो एक्सप्लेनेबल नहीं है, बाकी सारी चीजें कैन बी एक्सप्लेन।
मैम, जेई में सबसे मतलब केमिस्ट्री का सबसे ज्यादा वेटेज किसको होता है?
इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होता है, फिजिकल, ऑर्गेनिक, इनऑर्गेनिक। 33% आता है वैसे ही।
Okay.
So basically here we are differentiating 2 degree, 3 degree and 1 degree on the basis of carbocation stability and steric hindrance.
Yeah,
Like
yes.
not कि 1 degree like SN1 में जाएगा
देखो,
और
1 डिग्री में
3 degree.
कार्बोकैटायन फेवरेबल नहीं होगा, am I right?
Yes, miss.
और 1 डिग्री में स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस भी नहीं होता है,
Yes, miss. So
तो
SN2
इट
हो
हैज टू
जाएगा.
अंडरगो SN2। बट अगर नियोपेंटाइल ले लिया मैंने, नियोपेंटाइल में स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस बहुत बल्की ग्रुप है वहां पे, टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल, am I right?
Yes, miss.
तो वो OH को आने ही नहीं देगा तो उस कार्बन की तरफ, और अगर उस OH को आने ही नहीं देगा तो SN2 कैसे होगा उसका, बताओ मुझे।
Okay, miss. So miss, we mainly see if there is steric hindrance or not.
100%। अगर स्टेरिक
Okay.
हिंड्रेंस हुआ तो फिर SN2 नामुमकिन है। अब ये देख लो, कैन आई से ये 2 डिग्री है?
Yes, miss.
और ये भी 2 डिग्री है।
Yes, miss.
कैन आई से इसका कभी भी SN2 नहीं हो सकता है?
No, miss.
क्यों नहीं
Steric
हो सकता है?
hindrance. Steric hindrance.
क्योंकि इस कार्बन की तरफ OH आने का मतलब पॉसिबिलिटी ही नहीं है ना।
हाँ.
So SN2 out of this is out of question. This can never undergo SN2. Never undergo SN2. समझा?
हाँ, miss.
Okay.
Okay.
So that point also you can write it down. This is favored when steric hindrance is large. And this will be favored when
when carbocation stability is
नहीं, ये कब फेवर्ड होगा?
Steric hindrance is low.
low. Ma'am, also when concentration of nucleophile is high, right?
हाँ, concentration तो लिख लिया ना ऊपर. अब ये steric
Yes.
hindrance का next point है.
Okay.
अब और एक point, अभी और 2-3 point है. ये लिख लिया है पूरा?
Done, ma'am.
अच्छा, तो
ma'am,
खाली
done.
मुझे ये points बता देना next time मैंने कहाँ तक किया है, and then I will continue from here.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? And start studying. Organic is a beautiful subject. You will like it.
Yes, we know, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Ma'am, how about inorganic? How beautiful it is.
Inorganic few chapters are very good. But then some chapters you do have to remember a lot. Cramming up बहुत ज्यादा है. जब inorganic शुरू होगा तो automatically बोलने लगोगे तुम कि मैम organic is a gift to us and inorganic is a बोलते हैं ना. Inorganic के 2-3 chapter छोड़ के बाकी का सब is going to create a lot of issues for you. But anyway, you have to do. There is no way out. We have also done it. Correct?
मैम ऑर्गेनिक और इनऑर्गेनिक के लिए कोई बुक बोलो ना.
Theory के लिए inorganic के लिए theory just do it from NCERT. Organic nothing to be done except my notes for theory. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
लास्ट के 1-2 टॉपिक्स हैं जो मैं नोट्स नहीं देती हूँ. वो टॉपिक्स आई विल बी टेलिंग यू टू डू इट फ्रॉम योर एनसीईआरटी. वो केमिस्ट्री इन एवरीडे लाइफ और वो एनसीईआरटी काफी है उसके.
Ma'am, I have sent you one doubt. Can you please explain how the isomerism is chain and position?
Just give me a moment. My phone is not here. I'll just bring my phone.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Others can leave. Those who don't have doubts can leave.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, you have given this as these are chain isomers, ना? Can I say यहाँ पर कार्बन चेन और यहाँ पर कार्बन चेन का अरेंजमेंट अलग अलग है ना? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there. Ma'am,
these are chain isomers.
Okay.
And
Because
यहाँ पर can I say both the methyl groups are on the same carbon?
Yes, ma'am.
Here they are on different carbon. So these are position.
Okay, ma'am. So वहाँ पे जो ऊपर का है चेन वाला वहाँ पे 2, 3, 4, 8 कार्बन है चेन में.
8 कार्बन नहीं है, ये 2 कार्बन चेन में है ना.
अच्छा मैम, ओके.
और यहाँ पर एक ही है ऐसे चेन.
हाँ, यस मैम.
ठीक है
थैंक यू मैम. यस
हाँ
मैम.
हाँ. Fine, I'm ending the class. ठीक है.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Amog, what happens in chemical engineering? Chemical engineering में you'll be doing reactions और क्या है? Amog, are you there? हाँ. So वो reactions करवाते हैं और क्या है? They'll ask you to discover something new or something like that. या तो प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़नी पड़ती है. केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग एक पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में होती है, उसमें भी पॉलीमर केमिस्ट्री होता है या फूड केमिस्ट्री होता है. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड केमिस्ट्री. यू विल बी नोइंग इट लेटर ऑन, डोंट वरी. ओके. चलो, बाय ऑल ऑफ यू, चलो।